So since the invasion from Russia to Ukraine, we are seeing gold prices surge higher. Do you think it's a good time to invest in gold right now? Let's dive right in. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. My aim for the channel is to simplify the financial market so more people can learn from it. If any of the topic is your interest, then I'd like to personally invite you to subscribe to our channel, like it, share it, so more people can benefit from it. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to start off with the commitment of traders. Commitment of traders tracks the institutional money position. So we're looking at gold, obviously, right now. You can see the commercial precision, which is the big institutional money. They are not actually buying. Green represent the buying. In fact, they're increasing on the short contract. They are selling at this current level. Okay, so that is the data provided from commitment of traders. Moving on to silver, I want to point out on silver as well. We are seeing something quite similar. Flat on the long contract and increase on the short contract. So based on this commitment of traders, it's not particularly that bullish. Okay, so let's have a look at the gold price action chart. We're looking at weekly chart, right? So this is a weekly chart. Yes, we can see price has broken through the resistance. However, current price is a high test bar, so it's a strong reversal bar. All right. So, it's a bit conflicting at the moment. If it's breaking out, I don't expect we're going to see a high test bar from 2 weeks after a breakout. So let's drop down to a daily just to see a bit more detail. So daily price action, we can see a big sort of exhaustion price action on Thursday, a big push up, and then Friday is an inside bump. So let's see if price can find support around the 1850 area right here, make a reversal pattern on the smaller time frame. I would consider to take a long position on that. All right, that's option one. Okay, option two, if price come here, can't hold, come back straight back down into the channel, then I see price potentially going back down to this bottom area. So not particularly bullish when it's below the channel again. The next one that I want to share is silver. Silver weekly chart, you can have a look. That is a weekly chart. It's now tried to break the top channel and now rejecting of the top channel. All right, so let's move on to the daily chart. You can have slightly clearer picture. The picture is now we have a bearish outside bar exhaustion price action through here, and now price is just hugging around this $24 area. If we stay above, then yes, I can see a short-term buy. Okay, that's scenario one. However, if price, just clean it up a little bit more. If price can't hold and drop below this 24 area, then it potentially could go back lower to this area. Okay. Finally, I want to show you a couple of ETF, gold ETF, to see how they're positioning it. So this is a gold miner ETF, junior gold miner ETF. Again, we're on a weekly chart. You can see, although gold prices has broken out the channel, all right, but the miner ETF are still within this channel, hasn't broken yet. So that's why I'm not just yet particularly bullish on gold. Okay, let's move on to a daily chart. You can see we've been operating within this channel for a while, for a period of time. So a couple of times try to break. This is a fake out. And here, touch the channel, and now we're obviously in the channel again. So it's very important that we gauge that, we are finding some support. We may go to here, okay, to the top channel again, around the 43 area, I believe. And then we'll see. This is very important that need to break. If price can break and stay above, that could be a good area to invest some. All right, that's scenario 1. Scenario 2 is, we come back and reject and go back down to this bottom level, which isn't bad area around the 35, and then correlate everything on gold prices and the commitment of traders had to consider to invest. For me, option 2, like the bottom around the $35 area, would be a more appropriate prices for me to start investing in gold. Bottom line is, I know we're seeing a lot of news about the Russian invasion to Ukraine, and a lot of people think because of war, gold prices must surge higher. I'm a technical trader, so I will focus on the information from my technical analysis to make my investment judgment. As always, if you have any question, leave us a comment. We shall do our very best to assist you. Otherwise, happy trading, healthy investing. See you next time.